Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. In this video we are going to talk about this hair in it. Oh my god, I suck. This is what happened, when you watch too much Top Boy on Netflix, Anyways, welcome back to my channel, you guys. I know it's been a while since my last videos, but it's been the holidays and I had family over. It's really busy, but I am so happy to be back with another video. It's actually highly requested. It's a hair tutorial. Lately I actually get my hair done by other hairstylists, but Aliexpress sent me a wig and I wanted to make a YouTube tutorial video on how I install my wig, I guess. This is a really lazy way of installing wigs because I did not bleach the knots. I just put makeup on it to hide it. You know, I'm a lazy girl, okay? I like easy stuff. And listen, you can't even tell. You cannot tell me that my knots aren't bleached. Also, this is not only a wig tutorial, it's also a 3 weeks review, okay? One thing I do not want is tell you guys about hair and then you guys buy it and then like long term the quality is not what it's supposed to be. So I made sure I had this hair in for 3 weeks, almost 4 weeks, which is a month before I made this video, okay? So as you're gonna see, the first video that I'm gonna insert here is a wig tutorial when I first got the hair. I'm gonna show you guys. Fuck that sound, New York City, man. Oh, damn heater. But before we get into this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and listen, leave me some comments, okay? I love when you guys leave me some love, okay? So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so this is what the box looks like. This is how it came. It came with a satin edge wrap, okay? So we can lay them baby hairs. Of course, in the box is the hair as well. We have a comb and a brush for the baby hairs, and they provided us with 2 wig caps and a hair bag, okay? So this is what the hair looks like straight out the package. As you can see, it has hair clips inside and adjustable straps. It's a full lace wig and a frontal, of course, you know. So let's get into this customization. First, what I'm gonna do is spray the hair with some water, okay? Because when it comes to curly hair, you do not do anything to it unless it's wet, okay? So what I'm gonna do is just customize it to my likeness, okay? What I'm gonna do is just have, you know, some hair out, and then I'm gonna start plucking away. I'm gonna pluck it so it can fit my personal hairline. And you know, like I said, I kind of like want the hairline to be not as full because that's unrealistic. My natural hairline is not really that full, so we're gonna try to do the same thing. And here is where I realized I botched. I took out too much hair and it looks like a bald spot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix it. We're just gonna get rid of all of those hair, and eventually I'm just gonna add more baby hair that's closer to the hairline because this is a no-no, okay? Once that's done, I'm gonna cut the hairs, add some mousse, and this is how I laid the baby hairs, okay? This is art. I'm telling you guys, Picasso who? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, so just play around until you're satisfied with the way the baby hair looks, okay? Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Get some hair out, pluck it, customize it, cut it, and add some mousse, then lay the baby hair to my liking. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna add some wax to it, hair wax, and then use my hot comb to lay it flat because we want some flat front, okay? Now I'm gonna use that satin edge wrap that came with the box and just like wrap it around while I work with the rest of the hair. I'm gonna spritz the hair with more water and comb it through. Like I said, curly hair, you have to manage it while it's a little bit wet. So just comb, untangle, and then I'm gonna use the wax and add it to the front and use my hot comb again to flatten it because we want it as flat as possible. Now I'm gonna spritz the end and the rest of the hair with more water and then add some mousse to it so it can be defined to my liking. Okay, and this is the final look of it with the mousse. The curls are really defined, as you can see. Once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna plop it on my head. Okay, now I'm gonna just put it on my head and see how it lays, and once I'm satisfied with that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Okay, as you're gonna see here, I'm just gonna cut it in like zigzags, I guess, not straight zigzags. Okay, just run along with it, you know, because when you do that, it looks more natural. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, although you cannot see. So yeah, I'm just gonna now perfect the cut to my liking. Yeah, so now that I'm done with that, I am gonna move the hair back and then spray my hairline with some got-to-be spray and then blow dry it, and just so the wig cap can stay on my sideburn, I'm gonna do this method. Once it's dry, I am gonna move the wig back and lay it exactly where I want it to lay on my head. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I am gonna put that hair aside and then cut the rest of it. Then I'm gonna use my hot comb to make sure it lays flat again. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna add some more mousse to it and just, you know, play around with the baby hair again so it can fit my face the way, you know, I like it, so I can be satisfied. You can just freestyle, do whatever you like here. If you don't want baby hair, you don't need to, that's okay. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and once I am done with that, I am gonna use my makeup brush and I'm gonna apply some dry foundation to it because I didn't bleach the knots. And there you have it. Simple, easy, quick. Okay, you guys, now that you know how I install this hair, let's talk about this hair company, okay? Okay, you guys, so the name of the hair company is Aliexpress. I'm gonna leave all the details about this hair in the description box below because I'm not sure what length this is. Yeah, I got it from Aliexpress. It's affordable. It's a full lace wig. Like, you guys, listen, come to me. I am the home of the affordable, okay? So I've had this hair for 3.5 weeks now, and let me tell you guys, I kid you not, because this is one thing about curly hair is that it's always like tangled up and it sheds so much. But when I tell you this hair does not shed, and when it do, it's just like little pieces. Like, look, one, you know what I'm saying? It barely sheds. And when I tell you it's so easy for me to like run my finger through it, this is, mind you, this is curly hair. It's like so easy to run my finger through it. Like, listen, look, you know, like that's so rare. Like, the hair is tangle free. It's so soft, and I love the freaking curl. And it's so easy to revive the curls. Like, I've done so many hairstyles with this hair already. I really love this hair. Like, come on, 3 weeks and I am still slaying. So yeah, I'm gonna put all the links and details about this hair below. Make sure you check it out because you will not be disappointed. yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and if you've liked this video, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe and comment, okay? So I'll see you next time on my how I edit my selfie videos. Mwah.